Hello friends, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create the IC frozen text from scratch. First, take a document size of 1280 by 720 pixels and 150 pixels resolution. Now, take your foreground and background color respectively black and white and press Alt plus Delete from keyboard to fill the page with black. Then select the horizontal type tool. Choose a text font and take white color. Now write your text. Select the text and background layers and merge them by pressing Ctrl plus E from keyboard. Then go to Filter, Pixelate and the Crystallize. We will make the cell size 5 pixels. Now go to Image Rotation and then 90° clockwise. We can see the text turn straight. Now go to Filter again, then Stylize and then Wind. Here the method is wind and direction is from the right. Press OK. We will repeat it 2 times more. Now go to Image again and Image Rotation and then 90° counterclockwise. Go to Filter, Pixelate and Crystallize. This time we will take 3 pixels. Now go to Channels and click the icon lower left. It will make selection of the text. Then go to Selection and Save Selection. Now save it by naming text. Open back the Layers panel and take a new layer and press Ctrl plus Delete. It will fill the selection with white and then Ctrl plus D. Now click Ctrl and the new layer icon to take a new layer under this layer. Again take foreground color black and press Alt plus Delete to fill the layer with black. Make your cut outward active and click the FX icon. Choose Inner Glow. Make the blend mode dissolve and click on the color box. Fill the box with 74C 7FB. Make the choke 14% and size 10%. Depending on the size of your text, you can change this number. Now make the black background active and select Gradient tool. Choose Linear Gradient and Gradient box, then Foreground and Background thumbnail. Click on the lower left Stop and Color box and I will type in 1F69AE. Click on the lower right box and take black. Click the blue bar in the middle and the color box. Type in 0E2238 and keep location 50%. Close the color boxes and keep the cursor at the bottom of your document and press Shift and drag line all the way to top and release. Now click on the top layer and click on the Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Open the channel panel and press Ctrl and the text thumbnail for selection. Open the layer panel and click on the layer mask icon. Click off the chain link between the layer and its layer mask. Click on the layer to make it active. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. We will blur the layer by 1 pixel. Now go to Filter, Pixelate and Crystallize. We will make the cell size 4 pixels. Click on the layer mask to make it active and press Ctrl to make it into a selection. Click on the layer to make it active and press Ctrl plus J to cut the selection from the image and copy it to its own layer. Go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Open the artistic filter and choose Plastic Wrap. We will use 6 for highlight strength, 1 for detail and 4 for smoothness. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Hue Saturation. Click on this clipping mask icon, check the colorize box and make the hue 199 and the saturation 50. Using these steps, you can make any text look icy and frozen. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, feel free to visit our website www.clippingamazon.com. Thanks for watching.